Mind-blowing facts. Cuddling kills depression, relieves anxiety, and strengthens the immune system. When people are angry at you, if you stay calm it'll get them even angrier, and be ashamed about it after. Always be honest so when you have to lie, people will believe you. Couples who laugh together for at least 10 minutes each day will have a stronger relationship. 99% of women want to find a boyfriend with a high appearance, good figure, and rich family, but it's a pity that most of the girls are not rich and handsome. Men are the same. Your lie will be more convincing if you have to pee while you tell it. Because of a phenomenon called the inhibitory spillover effect, focusing on controlling your bladder also allows you to focus on hiding any tells you might have when fibbing. Speak only when your words are more beautiful than silence. Do not chase people. Work hard and be yourself. By these two principles, the right people will find their way in your life. Creative people are more likely to become depressed because they feel no one gets them. When you talk, you are repeating what you already know. But if you listen, you may learn something new.